Hey YouTube, what's up there? This is Arch Stack Reviews, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit my notifications so new videos like this will be uploaded. This video is just an update video amongst my channel. So starting August the 20th of this year, I do start school. And there hasn't been enough videos on any of my channels because you probably know that I need to be I've been spending with my time with my family, especially time for my sister's birthday. So that's another issue why you're been hearing this. Another reason is that you might hear that school is almost coming up. And that's another issue right here. So yes, another reason is that school is almost coming up, and yeah, I can't lack off school because if I do, my parents will think I'm a deep doo-doo, and that's the thing. I cannot be focusing on YouTube and worry about YouTube and not school. So yeah. So comment what you think of what day you start school, because I do start school on August the 20th, while you guys may start in September, and you may already started school, and you already know you're already getting homework from your teachers. So I know it's pretty aggressive. It's kind of weird. Let me tell let's tell them how I started high school. When I started high school in 9th grade of the year 2016. So that's the year I started high school. This is how I really got homework on the first day of school, and I hated it, but I managed to do it. Did it the way how it should, and it got. Unfortunately, when I had an F for my history class, that was a bad part. My parents didn't complain as much, but obviously when you get an F for your class, your parents will complain. Obviously, I did what I completed the work, and then the F went up to something better. It went up to an A. So, or even something better. So, don't even be like me. That's how I started high school. But in the middle of high school, that's in the middle of high school. Yeah. So, anyways, it's because of and that's because every teacher likes to give you homework on the first day of school. Like I'm not really sure. Comment if you do get homework on the first day of school. I just really want to know. Because maybe your parents, when your parents were in school as a child, you might notice that they may get homework on the first day of school. I'm pretty sure that when my mom was in school in New York City, because that's when my mom was born and raised and raised me here, I'm pretty sure that she had homework on the first day of school, and I know. And yeah. Alright, so if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just give it a thumbs down why you don't like it, and comment what you think. Because I am